Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College, just giving you a brief idea of the kind of things that I'm looking at today and what's been going on today. So as you can see, we've got the DAX here and it's a 5 minute chart and the market's up around 1.58%. And I'm currently in a trade. So I just wanted to kind of really show you how easy it is, the system is and what we do and how it works. I've currently just hit target number 2. So the entry is that one there. I had a nice little stop loss at the bottom there near the wave low, and I'll kind of just explain why I took this trade in the first place. So essentially, we had this bit of a retracement move down after a really strong move up. Had a little green PTS candle here, and that's where this signal comes from. But also, if you look down here, our storyteller indicator looked like it was about to roll over from negative to positive, so being under the zero line to above the zero line. And it really is that simple. Like as soon as the color changes happen, all I did was really just jump in the trade, hit a nice target number 1 there was hit very quickly, target number 2 was hit, and I'm really working out whether I want to hang on to target number 3. But this wasn't the first trade of the day. I wanted just to really explain, why I felt like this and, where it came from and how it all worked. Because really this morning, if we look at this, because obviously it's a 5 minute chart for the whole day, I came at my screens at about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, so around there. As soon as this high was broken, so let's look at this high here. So that high there, we were already green. We had a momentum trigger that kind of broke us to that point, and that was the first trade. So this trade, if you look at this, like how simple this was, really the stop loss could have been about 72 points like that. Look, it got up all the way up to 242 points. I took it at around 140 points. So really roughly, I took my profit in and around there somewhere, waited for another trade. And look how easy this is. It happened again here. So another move up where we turn green on the storyteller underneath here. Stop loss didn't get challenged because there was no point where the market came here and the market pushed back up again. And there was even another opportunity from red to green in here again as well. So it really is just a simple color change system, nice and easy. The trades look just how they are now. I wanted to show you a live one because yes, sometimes the market does move up and come back, but I've taken some profit on the second target and I'm wondering whether to try and get into another trade to hit target number 3. So I just wanted to explain my trading day today and how simple it can be with this PTS color change system and the color changes on the storyteller, because it is so simple and so easy. And look, just these 2 trades today, so simple. Market moves from negative to positive. We get green candles, it goes up. Green is good. It happens again twice here. And then this is the most recent one. I just wanted to explain how easy it is and what you guys could be looking to do for the rest of 2023 to earn some money for the rest of this year. So if you've got any questions, just let me know. Got loads of good things coming up. Keep in touch. Follow us on social media. Listen to our podcast on Spotify and iTunes. That's called Wham Bam Trading Plan, just to get a good idea of what we do. And if you've got any questions, keep in touch.